Today I will show you how to recover a forgotten Google account password. To start, open Google. Then pick your profile icon and choose icon over here. Then add another account. Confirm your screen lock and try to sign in. Then choose Forgot Password. Enter the last password you remember using with this Google account. Then choose Next. Then enter code. To be sure to account recovery goes successful. Then enter your code. Click Next and choose New Password. Then confirm it by clicking Change Password. That's all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.